Now we will talk about colonialism in Asia. After strengthening its grip over India, England expanded the empire to Sri Lanka, Myanmar, that is Burma, Singapore, Malaysia. So now what happened after the England, okay, after Britishers got control over India, they started occupying Singapore, they started occupying Malaysia, they started occupying Sri Lanka, okay, Malaysia and all these countries, all the neighboring countries of India, they started occupying those territories. England entered China also. Okay, now England also entered China, but due to opium trade between England and China, there were wars which came to be known as opium wars. Now what was opium? Opium is your what do you call it? Afim. Afim એટલે it's a type of a drug જેનેથી તમે સૂંઘો તો તમને નશો ચડે. Okay, so there was this thing called opium wars that occurred between England and China. Why was it called opium wars? Because કે in ચાઇનાએ ઇંગ્લેન્ડને અને બ્રિટિશર્સને ના પાડી દીધી હતી કે ભાઈ અમે તમારી હારે ઓપિયમ ટ્રેડ નહીં કરીએ, અમે અમારું ઓપિયમ તમને નહીં આપીએ. દેટ ઇઝ વાય દેર વોઝ વોર. ભાઈ નશામાં તો લોકો શું શું કરી બેઠે. ધીસ વોઝ ધ ઓનલી વોર્સ. So there were wars, okay, that happened between England and China, and these came to be known as opium wars. Why opium wars? Because it occurred because of opium, for the trade of opium. And in that war China lost. અને 5 પોર્ટ એટલે શું આપણે કહીએ ને પોર્ટ્સ એટલે you call it in Gujarati, what do you call ports? Port is a place from where the ships go, okay, from where the ships sail. So those places are called ports. So from China હારે જ્યારે વોર થયો, obviously China lost અને 5 Chinese port Englandની હાથમાં આવી ગયા. Okay, after that, okay, people in Europe, people everywhere around realized that China is a weak country, let us attack China. So after the attack of England, okay, we had Japan, Russia, Germany, France, Belgium, America, all these countries, they attacked China and took over trade and certain political places also. Political એટલે એ લોકો ખુદ રાજ કરવા માંડ્યા. Okay, that is called political rights. So this happened. Enormous oil resources in the desert region of West Asia attracted Europeans to establish colonies there. England, Germany, Russia and America established oil companies in Iran, Iraq, Kuwait, Saudi Arabia, Bahrain and made efforts to take care of their own interest. Oil is something for which every country is mad for. Oil is the main source of energy. You use oil in industries, you use oil in your car, you use oil to fly airplanes, you need oil in everything, right? So there was oil discovered in West Asia. West Asia is mainly your Muslim countries, okay? Yeah, oil discovered thyu tu, and because of that England attacked and took over certain territories. Similarly, after that you had Germany, Russia, America. They established their oil companies, okay, પોતાની oil companies બનાવી હતી. ક્યાં Iran, Iraq, Kuwait, Saudi Arabia and Bahrain. All these are your Muslim countries, okay, and it's a desert countries. All these are your desert countries. Now we are going to do colonism in Africa. The Dutch established its colony for the first time in the end of 15th century in South Africa. So which was the first European power to establish their rule in Africa was Dutch. After that England and France also established their colonies in Cape and Algeria, okay, in North Africa respectively. So Dutch occupied the territories of South Africa while England and France occupied the territories of North Africa, especially Cape and Algeria. The vast province of Africa seemed quite suitable for acquiring raw material and selling ready-made products, okay, post-industrial revolution. Now what happened is there was an industrial revolution that happened in England. What was that revolution? It was a revolution wherein people discovered big machines, they discovered motors, they discovered big machines to manufacture goods, to produce more and more goods. કે ભાઈ એક આદમી ખાલી ઈ મશીન ચલાવે અને 5 દિવસમાં 200 વસ્તુ તૈયાર થઈ જાય. જે પહેલા 200 લોકો કામ કરતા ઈ મટીરિયલ બનાવવામાં અને દિવસો ને દિવસો નીકળી જતા બીકોઝ મશીન્સ નહોતા. બટ ઇંગ્લેન્ડમાં આ ન્યૂ વસ્તુ ડિસ્કવર થઈ હતી, મશીન્સ ડિસ્કવર થયા હતા, જેના લીધે પ્રોડક્શનનું કામ ફાસ્ટ થઈ ગયું. ઓકે, દેટ વોઝ ધ ઇન્ડસ્ટ્રીયલ રેવોલ્યુશન દેટ occurred in England. Now what happened was, because of industrial revolution, raw materialના needs વધી ગયા. What were your raw materials? Cotton, coffee, tea, okay, opium. All these were raw materials which were brought from these places, taken to England. ઓકે, પછી એ લોકોના કપડાં બનતા, દવા બનતી, જ્યુસ બનતો, જે બી બનતું એ બનીને પછી સેલ કરવા માટે એ લોકો પાછા એ કન્ટ્રીમાં જતા જ્યાં રો મટીરિયલ મળ્યું હતું. ઓકે, સેમ થિંગ લાઈક ઇટ હેપન્ડ ઇન ઇન્ડિયા. આઈ ટોલ્ડ યુ રાઈટ, ઇન્ડિયામાંથી કોટન વોટન બધું લઈ જતા ઇંગ્લેન્ડ, ઇંગ્લેન્ડમાં કપડાં બનાવતા અને પાછું ઇન્ડિયામાં આવીને એ કપડાં વેચતા. ધીસ વોઝ ધ સેમ થિંગ દેટ વોઝ ડન ઇવન ઇન આફ્રિકા. ઓકે, because of which European countries competed to establish colonies. Now obviously they wanted more and more colonies. Why? In order to sell their products, right? And that is why there was a competition that was increased in them. King Leopold of Belgium seized the vast province of Congo and established his rule. So there was a king of Leopold. Okay, he occupied the territory of Congo and he started ruling over Congo. Congo was a African country. Okay, England established its colonies in Egypt, some provinces of East Africa and some of South Africa. So England was able to occupy territories in Egypt, in East Africa and South Africa. French established its colonies in Tunisia, Morocco and West Africa. Okay, French were able to establish their colonies in Tunisia, Morocco and West Africa. Germany established its empire in East and West Africa. Okay, Germany occupied territories in East and West Africa. Italy captured the African provinces around the Red Sea. Okay, Italy was able to capture places that were around a sea which was called the Red Sea. Spain and Portugal also took over the provinces of Africa. So Spain and Portugal also took over some of the places in Africa. A conference for European nations was held in Berlin in the midst of this competition to establish colonies. Different African territories were divided among the European nations at the end of the conference. Thus the colonial dominions of the different European nations was established in the entire Africa. So there was a conference held of all the European nations. Which all European nations? Italy, France, Germany. Okay, all these European nations એ લોકોની એક conference થઈ હતી. Okay, and wherein they all sat down. Okay, it happened in Berlin. This conference happened in Berlin. Berlin is in Germany. There was a conference held wherein the European powers, they decided that these are the African territories we will rule, these are the African territories the other powers will rule. Okay, so this whole conference was held. Okay, while on one hand the greedy European nations were trying to make colonies in various African countries, on the other hand Germany and Italy had completed the process of respective political unification. Thus unified Germany plunged into the competition of industrialization, commercialization and colonization. Thus these quickly changing global phenomena had exploited some of these countries politically, economically and socially, due to which the development had stopped. This had led to the First World War. Now what happened was that these European nations, they were very greedy in order to occupy as many as territories as they can, as many places as they can. Okay, and in that point of time Italy and Germany got unified એટલે પહેલા Germany was divided into East Germany and West Germany. એ એક જર્મની થઈ ગયું. Similarly Italy બી એવી રીતના ડિવાઇડ થયેલું હતું, એ બી એક ઇટલી થઈ ગયું. So they became so powerful. Okay, and there was a craze for industrialization. Industrialization is a process wherein you start making more and more industry. Commercialization. What is commercialization? That is selling things in a commercial way. Okay, that is fixing the price for the products, selling the product at a rate of profit મેળવવા માટે હું શું કરીશ. All this is included in commercialization. Okay, so commercialization increased and colonization increased. Colonization is, I already told you, occupying more and more territories in Asia and Africa. Thus these quickly changing global phenomena had exploited some of these countries politically, economically and socially, due to which their development stopped. Now what happened is that obviously the countries in Africa, the countries in Asia, okay, they all were suffering very badly because of colonization. Okay.